Hello, beautiful. Welcome to a guided meditation to release anxiety and overthinking. The intention of this meditation will be to connect you to your highest vision, the vision of you and the vision of your life that makes you feel the most comfortable, capable, and abundant every day. My name is Liz. This is Mindfully Inspired. Please subscribe to this channel and like the video so YouTube shares it out to more people. And let's begin. So take a minute to find yourself in a comfortable seated or lying down position. This meditation will be a little bit more upbeat so that you can do it anywhere. Enjoy and relax. Sit down, lay down, get comfortable, feel connected, and just take a minute to settle into the space that you're at. Go ahead and start to slow down your breathing. Taking a little bit slower breaths in, a little bit slower breaths out. Breathing in. And let's just start thinking about those legs. Start thinking about those toes, maybe wiggling them a little bit. Letting them know that it's okay. Now we can just relax. Breathing in and breathing out and just melting the muscles. Melting the muscles in those knees, those calves, those feet. Relax. Feels so good. Breathing in. This time we're going to just bring the attention to that middle body, the upper legs, the hips. Maybe move them around. Let out any energy that needs to be wiggled out. And exhale and just melt. Melt those muscles. Relax. Maybe for the first time, feeling that deep sense of stillness and relaxation in the legs and the lower body. Feeling it, enjoying it. Any stress that you are carrying there, just melting away. Breathing in, bring that attention to that beautiful torso, the powerhouse of the body, the center of your energy, and just wiggling it around, maybe giving it some gratitude, thanking it, loving it for all the hard work that powerhouse of your body does. Breathing in and exhale and just melt that body, melt the muscles, melt the intestines, melt the organs, melt it all down, feeling it release and relax the lower spine, just melting, relaxing and sinking deeper. Maybe for the first time realizing how soft and how gentle it can be without holding on to energy. Breathing in, let's continue on up into the heart space, the shoulders, the upper back, wiggling a little tiny bit of movement in those shoulder blades and in the shoulders, just feeling that energy, the stored energy, asking it to release, breathing in and exhale, melting down, melting away through the chest, through the back. It's getting heavy and it feels so good. So good noticing that energy release. So good noticing those muscles relax and sink. It feels so good. We're going to move into the neck. We're going to move into the mind and into the head. Wiggling it around just a little bit, getting whatever movement feels good to you and releasing all of that energy that gets stuck in between the bits and the bites and the bolts of the body. Breathing in and exhale and feeling it sink and melt. Maybe even some tingles up your spine as you just feel that relaxation sinking in. Breathing in a nice, big, deep breath. As much as you can breathe in, I want you to hold it at the top and breathing in more and more, feeling it expand through the front of the chest and across the back like wings that are opening in your body. Breathing in more and holding it, feeling this fullness of air in your body for maybe the first time. And exhale slowly, feeling the chest compress and that upper back compress back in, relaxing and sinking deeper. We're going to do that 2 more times. Breathing in deeply, filling the chest, filling the upper back, breathing and breathing and breathing in more, feeling the fullness of it. Stretch across your back like you're opening wings and hold it. Feel it. Feel that expansion through the upper body and exhale slowly, 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 slowly. We're going to do it with the last time, and we're going to think about pulling that air in like it is a light that we're pulling in from our belly button. So through our mouth, chest down to our belly button. Here we go. Breathing in, this time pulling in beautiful light that is surrounding us everywhere, pulling it in deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, breathing in more, filling the cavity of our belly and our chest and across the upper back, holding that air in, so much air, feeling like wings expanding through your back. And when you're ready, exhale. Now you know that all the tension that is in your body, it is gone. We have breathed it in and we have breathed it out, and our body is in a state of so much joy. It is feeling so good. It is feeling so much gratitude, and all the tension that we've held onto is gone. This is beautiful. Breathing naturally, breathing in a way that makes you feel good. We are going to call in the vision that you know you have of that ideal life. Call it in. We're not going to call in the details. We're not going to write a story. We're not going to write a plan. We're not going to write a how-to or what if. We're just going to call in the energy of that ideal life. That life where there's no anxiety, there's no overthinking. Maybe your goals have been realized, your dreams have been achieved. Maybe you're just feeling happy. Maybe you're just knowing that every single day is going the way you want. We're going to pull in the energy of that idealness. We're going to pull in the energy of that ideal day. We are going to hold it like a bright light right above our forehead. Put all the energy into that bright light above your forehead now, breathing in, knowing that it is your ideal day, knowing it is where you are transcending to, where you are moving forward to, where your ultimate destination resides. Feel the energy, feel the joy, feel the love, feel the relaxation of that beautiful space. Breathing in, drawing beautiful white light from all around you and holding like a perfect vessel, like a cup in your mind, that ideal day, that ideal reality, that transcended space that is yours, that is yours. It is waiting for you, and knowing with a deep sense of yes that that space is yours. Feeling the energy of that space, connected to the deep sense of yes, it is yours. Feeling that deep sense of energy, of light, of love, of abundance, of happiness that is filling that beautiful cup of your ideal life, your ideal self, your ideal manifestations. Breathing it in and knowing that it is all already yours. Breathing in and moving forward into the space of that ideal self, where it is all gratitude, it is all happiness, it is all beautiful. Feeling it pour into the space that we've created in our body already with our breath work. Feeling the yeses, feeling the nows, feeling the happiness, feeling the gratitude of having accepted and achieved and living and dreaming and absorbing that ideal self that you are. You are, it is already yours. We are releasing all the thoughts of how, all the thoughts of why, with a big deep breath in right now. And exhale, let go of everything that is in you, that is saying how, that is saying why, that is making to-do lists, that is making plans. Exhale. Clearing the space that holds all the anxiety, that holds all the overthinking, that holds all of the tension. Breathing in. Exhale and releasing that. knowing that you are now full of the cup of your ideal life. You are full of the cup of the ideal reality that you're creating. Breathing in, there is no anxiety, there is no overthinking, there is no to-do list, there is no how. Exhale and enjoy the energy, enjoy the vibration, enjoy the hugging, the having, the knowing that it's yours. We're going to take a moment to release the anxiety mind, to release the anxiety tensions, to release all the questions. Truly, they're just little questions. We're going to breathe in a nice big deep breath. And we're going to know that we're happy, that we are happy because we decide our happiness. Exhale. We're going to know that those anxieties, we can let them go now because we control our happiness. We're going to know that we can let go, that we can exhale, that we can remove, that we can decide that it is unwanted, unneeded, unreal. Breathing in, exhaling, release, connecting back into that energy of our happy and most ideal self, knowing that we don't have to worry, we don't have to care, we don't have to overthink, and we don't have to have anxiety, because the happiness that we are deciding to bring into our life is ours. We do not need a list, we do not need a reason, we do not need a why, and we do not need permission. The happiness of that ideal life is ours. We can let go of overthinking, we can let go of demands, we can let go of pressure. Breathing in, wiggling that energy out of our body, wiggling the toes, wiggling the knees, wiggling the torso, the shoulders, the mind. Exhale. Calling back into your vision, your mind, your reality, the space of that ideal life, the energy of it, not needing whys or hows or guidance or direction or opinions, filling the cup of ourselves up with the energy of transcending where we are now to where we are in our own unique, perfectly individual ideal space, our ideal life, our ideal manifestations. Breathing in, holding that energy. I want to see you swirling it around your body now, seeing that energy of this ideal life. There's no questions of how or why or permissions or thinking or lists. We're just seeing the energy. The energy is ours. The energy is yours. Swirling it around your body now, holding yourself in the vortex of the ideal life and the ideal self that you are creating, and knowing that it is already yours, knowing that the only person who decides your happiness is you, pulling on that core, deep sense of happiness that you know is yours, which you know has always been you, that you were born into this life to always be you. It is yours and it is on your terms, holding it and mixing it with the energy and the beautiful vivaciousness and all the colors of that beautiful ideal self, that ideal life vortex you are creating around you. It is on your terms, it is on your time, and it has always been yours. Holding yourself in that space of mixing your beautiful happiness energy with the ideal life, transcending forward across time, receiving it now. It is yours now. Enjoying the beautiful menage, the beautiful mix, the beautiful creation of this energy space that you are holding onto now. It is beautiful. It is wonderful. It is yours. Breathing in. I want you to know that this space, this energy is available to you at all times. It is always available to you, and you are now making yourself a sacred, created space that you can come back to at any time. At any time that you are feeling anxious and overwhelmed, you will know, and you can know, and it is here for you to step into the reality that we have created here in this meditation of this perfect mix of your transcended reality, your ideal self, and your eternal happiness. Breathing in. We're going to come up with one last moment, one last perfect creation for you to carry forward as you go through your day, to bring this meditation with you to all the places. I want you to think now, asking that perfect, ideal, transcended future and your perfect eternal happiness. Bring forward now a statement, a sentence, a word, a thought, a poem, anything that feels right to you. We're going to create your perfect power statement out of this vortex. This perfect statement, a perfect sentence, it's coming to you now. You've read it before. It might be a quote that you've heard. It might be a favorite word that you have. It is coming to you now, and you're holding this word. It is perfectly yours. Know that you just have to remember that word or that statement. All you have to do is remember that word, that statement, or that quote, and you are coming back home to the perfect vortex of your ideal future and your eternal happiness, knowing above all else that all of which is perfectly decided upon and created by you. You hold the power to your happiness. Thank you for joining this meditation. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and have the best day.